Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, February 26th. We are looking at the SPY ETFs market profile here on Window Trader. So we have the last trading day of the week and of the month. It's been a pretty wacky week, for lack of a better term, as bulls have tried. Each time they've tried, they've gotten knocked down pretty hard. We closed towards the lows yesterday, and right now, as you can see, pre-market, a tremendous amount of business being done below where we settled. So again, the shorts continue to pile in. We've had a lot of lines in the sand recently. We have another one today up at around C's low. That's again right where the previous two weekly lows are. Again, if we don't get acceptance into those, nothing's changed for me, and I still see some downside to at least the 365, 370 level. So we're going to see how the month plays out. The other indices are pretty much the same. As you can see, here's the Russell 3-day balance. We take out the 23rd low, and we start seeing some more downside. Remember, that 205 level is the key level. Weeks ago, we thought when we closed there with the outside week down, we can get some push below there. Instead, we went up almost to 230. Well, right now, here we are, less than a month later, with the possibility, depending on where we close today, of looking closer to testing that level again rather than the all-time high. Again, tremendous amount of volume being done on the settlement. In fact, right now, again, there's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, but right now, trading below yesterday's regular trading hours low. Now, same with the triple Qs. Triple Qs, before yesterday's debacle, had a tremendous amount of work ahead of them with 2 gaps, 2 trend days. Well, now they have 3 trend days to contend with. And again, they're trading at the bottom. Now, a lot of this of shorts pushing in. It's also a lot of longs, weak longs that are starting to panic as we get to the bottom of daily balances also. Don't forget that. Tuesday's lows formed a balance on the daily in all 3 of these indices. Well, here's Tuesday's low. We're all trading right around there. So if we get acceptance below Tuesday's low, again, you can start getting some more acceleration. Now, SPY and ES, same scenario. I mean, the Russell and the ES had no headwinds to the all-time high until yesterday. And now they have some headwind. Here's the bottom, again, of a 3-day balance. We take that out, we come to a very, very important and visual area. There's a daily low with that 200-point gap, and inside of that is the 50-day moving average. That's really, for my money's worth, the last line of defense for the bulls, because if you fill that gap and get acceptance below the 50-day moving average, again, the 365, 370 level is going to come into sight, I think, rather quickly. Tremendous amount of volume being done right here, which is below settlement. We've done just about 1 million shares so far. So, destinations, I'm only going to give you a couple of them. You should have all of them from last night's video. So right now on the upside, the only extra one I'm going to give you right now, my pre-market high is 384.10. Right now we're trading at 382.01, and my pre-market low is 380.22, which not coincidentally is 2 cents above Tuesday's low. Again, you should have all the other destinations. If not, please listen to last night's video. So game plan for this morning. Well, it's the last day of the week and the last day of the month. Right in here in the middle of M, the way we're trading, remember, we went out with a price probe yesterday. So we still have 75 minutes. This is going to be key to me. If we cannot open above H's low, I'm looking for a short. Any acceptance above H's low, I'm out. So in the next 75 minutes, if we open in balance but below H's low, I'll look to take a short below the price spike. If we gap lower in the next 75 minutes, again, I'll take a short. I'd be out at M's low if the gap fills, and then we'll see what happens, because M's low to H's low is about $1. I don't want to see the gap fill and take another $1 worth of heat. So I'd get out if we get into the M's range by a little bit. I could always get back in if we pull up and then fail at H's low. Those are two put plays early. As far as a call play, again, I mean, if you to open above H's low, where there were sellers yesterday and they're not there this morning, well, then you could possibly take a long. But remember, you're going to be, if it's in this range, you're going to be inside of M, inside of balance, inside of values. Not the best of risk reward. So I would use H's low as my out if you take that trade. If they don't take out H's low, then you could at least possibly trade up to POC and M's range. Those are two really, really early plays. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. We've had a pretty good week. We've had an excellent week calling the market. It has not been an easy week to trade, no matter what you might hear on Twitter. So come to somebody who has the experience to lead you and guide you through these turbulent markets. And remember, we're only in balance right now. Wait till we come out of balance. So it should be fun going forward. I'm not going to even show you the charts right now. Tonight, I will recap the IWM, triple Qs, and SPYs. Still looking for a charting service I want to use. So the ones I'm using right now aren't the best. But we'll work with what we have right now. We'll recap all of those and their charts tonight at 4 p.m. Have a great day trading. Good luck.